We're going through Strand Street, the Wood, Milltown Bridge, turn right into Kilfountain, then Butterford and Knucklebrogueen, Ballyertrip, Ballymoreat, Mullinaglamig. You'll remember Mullinaglamig, those of you who haven't out there before, I can tell you. Knocknahow, Milltown, the Wood, and back in here into Strand Street again.
Switch legs. It's a lovely looking lady back there, number 470. A koi, a cattle, a tree, a bird, a hen, a raglan! Many more things organized and turned around the customer. The 9
and gentlemen, in the Dingle Mini Marathon 2013, number 231 there is Maria McCarthy. So Corvaricus Maria section, Lawson Diction,
you have to train hard really to get the times that you really want.
Okay folks, you must train hard for next year's event. Did you hear that? Maria, what kind of a weekly schedule would you have in your training?
I'd probably train about 6 out of 7 days, and I'd incorporate probably a lot of slow runs with a bit of speed work, a bit of a tempo run as well.
Okay, what about your diet and your eating and so on?
I've actually started a new diet, and it's called the paleo diet, and it excludes all cereals and grains. So you're basically eating a lot of protein and a lot of carbohydrate, well, vegetables and fruit. So, well, I actually had a stomach problem, so it's actually after eating all that. So it's a great diet. I've run on it now about a month, and I'm getting great results from it.
Great stuff. So change the diet, that's the important thing. Change what you eat every second day or whatever it is. Now, what do you think of the course here today, Maria?
The course was lovely. It was very balanced. Of course, we had a strong breeze on the way out, and it was a nice hill with it. But once you got over that, there was a lot of recovery then to get you home.
Okay, so have you anything else planned now for the rest of the year? Do you work to a schedule?
I don't know. I suppose I'm like everyone. Whatever comes along, I'll take a challenge and challenge it. The National League is starting now, which is the track and field events that will be on over the summer. So it's about four of those. So there'll be like track events. So we'll be training for that now for the next couple of months.
And around Milltown in your own country, because I come from over that side of the country a long time ago, what kind of would you train around Milltown? Would you go to other places to train?
Well, no, I have 4 kids, so it's very hard to get out too far. So I kind of train around my house. So it's basically around Milltown itself. It's a lot of hilly roads and by roads back around there to get you the whole way into Killarney. So there's plenty of training areas around there.
And times of the day, we just do it once a day or a couple of times a day or whatever?
We do a bit of stretching and strength work in the morning. So I have it in 3-year-olds and we do it together, and then in the evening time then I get out for an hour and play with my husband.
Okay, thank you, Maria. Second, 2-2 coming in here. And 2-2 Espinola Desmond from Douglas in County Cork. We're going to this lad now, sometimes we lost a free through. Quick kid down to the sticking shit. I was keeping the bench of his son going over of the Academy Eshkeld. Mark David's a shot and 46 minutes, very, very creditable.
Tommy Harvey Austin or the had pressure shake it in it, shake it truckle Solomon, ever done like a Korea, the smallest solution. I saw Annika doing to doll, the Keanu Sullivan, the Phoenix and Sweden Sagas at that race. Annika down with the Tigrish for the staff and the roof, the whole card, the leg couple of me. Then drowned the later at Trace Takik to the dead or real, that was more showed enough, but the Scafena had Trace Carol's behind Chile. Well, Sean O'Sullivan and his sausage and Smina is toch has to go Daingean over on Carnock that is Martian dog is big shake will Brian Viber le the end of O'Haven and Park Capella Orbert to Skull to Bubble Skull or a shake precious Coon Lena but Cahirloch Bunnig on Port Benesticht and Son Agus on O'Coicha own pe Brabuso Gaste She dole hain na Pobble Skull the Forbert Bar Pella the Srain Ra Comale Ailche come on Ailche
Agus coga an bhfuil múntóirí agus dáit in the scoile ag bhí.
Tá, chuid do múntóirí in the scoile, chuid do lá in the scoile, tá sé ag rinn ó siúl, tá na sláirí, chuid annachas sa chalíní agus mar a cín tú timpeláir, tá súntacha annach chuid sa sláirí leis sa agus é déanana muirseach, cabhrú le cuasaí muirseachta agus rille. Sky chéile ha bit an song.
Field from Redgar and Brosnan from Lizarda, Ashley Barrett, Keith Sullivan, Ashley O'Connor coming in together. Yeah, lots of Craig Moons and almost a really shot for him. But this comes up, it's Tom never good. The heck Harrow. Never not taking the kit. No, Sullivan 239. Ellen Winters from Lisbon heading in towards us now. 4-5-4. No Shea. Helena Hannafin. Glen Carr in County Kerry. South Kerry represented well again. My second is you may do so. I'll be back here by 4 o'clock when hopefully most. So can we just move a little bit to the side after the finishing line? We need you to move a little. We have space for all the 600 others that are to come behind you. So I'm Blandine and Christine Jahar Daily Brigand Banshaw. So if you give other people a chance to see the food. Nicola Finn is Sheila Brosnan or Kent. Just down the road from us. Siobhan Amo Niconacour on 210. Helen Ferris, very popular young lady here. Helen Ferris, local lady coming in. Number 3 is Aileen McCarthy from Clonakilty. Bye, Barry. Mharatón Brannock, Captain of Jornish. Oh, yes, Mharatón. Emil Murphy, 267. Emil Murphy of Pobbleskull Corkagreena, Captain Ish. So, Boulevard Easton, Dini Tigle, Alan Lena Ish. The Durham. For her. And there's Philomena Flannery. Philomena Flannery just after finishing. And Philomena Hillard with him. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be ladies' race, was it? But then, come out this, Sean. Shasta Cahanchin, Sultan, Fudavan, or Ballard and Drawley. 77 is Cameron Cooper from Archanaboli in Killarney. So Lan Elder, George Bowler Boston, and Daniela Charles after shopping. Okay, so we asked the person need to keep the street clear there, so if you keep walking past the finishing line, there's some water and some refreshments over there for you, so just pick up your refreshments when you have finished, please. So just keep walking, and other people as well on the road. If you just move on a little bit, please, you'll see the participants as they pass you there. So Lano Ravinchin, August Organ and Boher Glan August Oscar Genshin, the Dini Chopped. Number 19, Henry Ancient, Emma Lowry, or Ballahakri, Glasnevin Ballahakri, Cogadicus. Susie Gady on Daingean, 474, Leahy for Cogadicus Gillian, Chini, you could hear it taking them Town Victor Hunt. Well, it's like here, don't think you've shaved no convening, and some photograph and some is Carla Finman from Greystone, 283, Stephanie McDonald from Dingle, 255, mBan from Mharatón, along, baby, Pobbleskull Montori, Owens County, Coco, right, oh yes, and with Shannon is Marilyn O'Mahony. Ibn Dahad. Craig Shopkinson, Brenda E. Carsick or Trolley. Keep the street in it. Mary Normoyle, Turbo the Boss more than Montora time cut. Finish, just move along. Collect your refreshments there as well, there, Bordal. Joanne Nickname, Congardicus Joanne. Here, Scholar, Pobbleskull Corkagreena Freshen. Amy O'Connor from Ashmount, Amy Congardicus. Jimmy Cooper from Mintis Kenny from Ballymount. Spittle, Contanagali. Hena Trinod and Leanne O'Shea of Ballingowl. Hopkinson to register. Lisa Kemp from Clammanza Hiker, local lady coming in there, 2 hands up, very happy with herself, clapping in her time. Roshini Conacour, Pobbleskull Corkagreena, Cogadicus Pobble. Elena Conn, another local lady, just been hipped on the line by some friends. And now we have a mixture of ups and downs. And number 61 is Niamh O'Connell from Clonsilla and Dixnaw. Ron David Shaw, Lingano, Mharatón, 214, Lisa O'Connor from Fireys. Just open there for anybody who wants to get through to the refreshments. Fiona Garage and Motor, and it's a public school. Kieran Hay, Motor, Isham, Creighton Fashion. Motor public school, Siobhan Neil Lewing, Captain Anish, Agus Cogardicus, 251, Tina Fitzmaurice, Cogardicus Tina, Niamh Mharatón of Duntraw, Trucan May, Catherine 421 is Catherine Smith, and Deirdre Gainey, local lady, passed through the post here as well when I wasn't looking. They've got a Cooleen and Dingle, Marie Kivan from Vintry, Cogardicus. Doreen Fitzgerald from Castle Gregory, Kathleen Griffin from Castle Katie Flannery, Cogardicus Katie, Rona Clegg of the Mail Moment, Ashgrove and Fireys, and the first effort of the non-caption, Celine Dingle from Siobhan Dingle. Ladies coming in, suffering a little bit of Stoker. But it's worth the effort, ladies, because the boot sayers and Aoife Gainey, Scolari, Old Public Skull and Chaplain and Ish, Cogardicus now. That's it. Number 15, Church and the Public Skull. Be at 4 o'clock, so if you want to freshen up and have something, Alice Sheehy, the Dinny Alert. So, Aisling Needling and the Cronin are too freshen. For people who may not have been running that long and making a kind of core. Noreen, would you wait for her an NMD? Would you wait for your friend? Cogardicus noon. My secretary got his floor here, mixing the pages and all the rest of it. The go up the hand was Captain Fitzgerald. Today is a big day, Katrina. We have a birthday. So, happy birthday, Katrina! What a day to come to Dingle. It was lovely to celebrate your birthday here in Dingle. Cogardicus, Katrina, the law of Raha. Number one has eventually passed the post, and that is Ciara O'Flynn from Bandon. That's if you call this music we have Kjol. Oh yeah. Oh yes, Santa. Oh yeah. having our prize giving here in the don't forget
taken away. I know it's been a while, but I can see it clear as day. Right now, I wish you could hear. Chúis balíartach chun na gléimig, hasan ar cléiréist, tuachta how, stachtaí crosar ladies brass agus bailbhilin a stachar éis leige.
Agus tuigim go méid an airgid tá bailithe dólar san na poblascoile agus ailse.
Gríle chéir, tá go champing in amachtaí poblascoil Corcagine agus Cumanáidseir Brolig.
Táid cúpla nóma déanach táid récontas nó na brunadóisna don mini-marathon na maná Daingean cúise 2000 agus a 3 Páirictar tíar príomhide poblascoil Corcagine chun cúpla focail buchas a gháil de gacéine a mar sin.
Bhíle maichas a gháil agus úr maichas go léir a gháil seolasúla bháin a chénig ar an smaoinemh agus atá trééis a chrí agus anam agus a chaidama le mís an uas a chuisteach a nagrú na hóáide seo. Bula bás mór de cheann. Tá bhí buin mór daoine nó agus a réir agus le seachtaí nuas le go bhúd an hóáid seo agus tá rion son ar an nagréomh. Agus ba bhfuil leis buchas a bháil lifse go léir a tháinig an sol go láidir agus go tréimh búlteach an rud é os ciún séiciad ban a bheith ag siúl na mórtha nó i ghrinn na mórtha i Corcagine agus tá anna chéadúnta dul agus cóhardachas agus tásúla gom gur inúir tainam agus soltas. Ba bhfuil leis gan dát buchas a bháil leis na daoine go léir pobl gló an Daingean a tar éis oríoch féal flathúil thuút an ócháid seo agus a thuganna dá annachchéad amachtaí eile timpeall na háite. Míle buchas nó go léir. Míle buchas leis na gádaí síochána cháirigh leis na grúcháin do Risteán mac líam agus tas go héal eile. Ach cóhardachas libh go léir i chríochtaigh a thosnaigh agus i chríochtaigh agus cóhardachas an na bachta lású do háinig chun tosig. So mar sin leanamid a rin, okay?
First pressed the post here this afternoon in a fantastic time of 38 minutes and 19 seconds was Maria McCarthy from Milltown. So Maria, Cavilto, renowned local jeweler Brian Destack has a 10-carat gold fuchsia pendant to give you. So to Brian, Garmin Magat Asoft and Oria and to Hannah Douche enough. Ní do Kilana atá sí go légur ach the Corkig, the Douglas in Cork and Finola Desmond in 42 minutes and 38 seconds. And your prize per second will be of golden leather goods in It's a handcrafted ladies' handbag, handcrafted here in Dingle, may I add, which is way more pleasure. Again, the same as Brenda Stack's first prize, of course, was a prize made by the local people here in Dingle. So Fiona Desmond from Douglas in County Cork, thank you for coming and being part of our event here today. And for the media Margaret, and to the Ella or Cork Expression, and of course to Holden Leather Goods as well for the wonderful prize. And Trio Dushanov is from Dingle Crystal, a wine decanter, and that is going to number 613, who came in a time of 43 minutes and 11 seconds, and that's Nora Barry. So Nora, comment out to top. Cogorcus Nora, and Dingle Crystal, another wonderful local indigenous industry here.